What's your name?
It's Jaden.
Jaden? You got something you want to shout out?
Stop being shy.
You got social media, anything, Instagram, anything like that? No, nothing like that. Huh? Go subscribe. Go subscribe to Q. Tell them to go subscribe. Kicking it with Q.
Subscribe.
Kicking it with Q.
Kicking it with the Q. He's so nervous.
You nervous on the camera? Say hey, y'all. Nervous. Yeah, make sure. All right, y'all have a good one. Go So he saw my thing on the side of my truck.
Are you a YouTuber? And I forgot. I always forget you had a sticker. So
Yeah.
I was like, my husband is. And then he was like, oh, okay. And I was like, you should go subscribe.
Yeah.
He was like,
Wow.
I am so sorry. He was, as soon as y'all pulled up, he was already like looking at your truck like, oh, he's on YouTube.
Oh, that's funny. That's cool. That's cool though. Hopefully you go subscribe. What's your name? What's again? Jalen? Jaden. Shout out to you, Jaden. Hey man, appreciate it. Oh shit. Yeah, that's look. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who and I am. Back with another video, man. Thank y'all for tuning in today. Come kicking it with me, man. We got a simple, special one today. I gotta do a few things before I leave. But first, we're doing today, that's right, getting our windows tinted. And my camera's crooked. Okay, there we go. Man, this thing is still crooked. There we go, that's best as it'll get. But anyway, so we're gonna get our windows tinted today, man. So you can see, I do have my window tinted. So I have 35% in the front and I left the factory alone at the back. And the back don't look that bad actually. But so today I'm going to darken the front and the back. I'm not sure what I'm gonna go in the back. I think I'm going 20% on the front, maybe 15, 10 on the back. I like a nice blend. I don't like that look. See that? Like light, bam, dark. Like there's no transition, no fade. So that's what we're doing today, man. Going to get our windows tinted. Shout out to my man John, who hit me up on Instagram and he said, hey man, I got a guy who can do a good job for you. So he hooked me up. I talked to the guy, we're in contact. So that's what I'm headed to right now. But first, before I do that, I need to change my oil catch can. And I also need to load my new tune from MPT. So if you haven't watched my video where I did the review of the tunes, I tagged them in the video on Instagram. They saw it and they reached out to me like, hey, we got a revision to the tunes you have. We're gonna send it to you. So they sent it to me, gotta load them up. And so they said just check them out, let them know what I think. So that's what we're gonna do, but let's go ahead first and see what's in this oil catch can. It should be probably about 800 miles since I emptied it, because when I took Red on a 12-hour road trip, I haven't changed it since. So it's probably about 800 miles worth of oil. So let's see what we got. Okay, so I got it off, and look at the color of the oil. It's been like that lately, like a light brown color. I'm not sure if that's good because the oil change is pretty fairly new for the most part, so maybe that's what it is. But the last few times I've done it, it's been that color, like a caramel coffee color. But it's not that much actually. I thought it'd be a lot more than it is, but not that much. But since I'm in here, I'm gonna go ahead and empty it anyway. Yeah, not that much at all, not too bad. So I'm not sure if that's sludge or what, I don't know. But let me clean this out and then go ahead and load the tune. I'm not gonna show you how to load the tune. I already did a video on it. I'll go ahead and put a card or a link in the description to that video. If I forget to put the link, just say, hey Q, drop the link to the load the tune video. And I got you, bro, I got you. Just a tip, what I found when loading my tune, if I leave my door open, my driver's side door where I'm at open, I never have any issues loading it. One time when I sat in the truck, the first time I tried to load it and I closed the door and just sat in there, it gave me an error and didn't upload. But ever since I just leave my door open, it worked every time. I haven't had the issue since, so it just made me a Q-tip. All right, guys, I'm here. I made it to location, which is DFW Camper Coral Corral, whatever, which the truck accessory store. So, just made it here, man. I just text the guy, waiting on him to text me back to see if I need to go ahead and go in. But look at this truck over here. This, I'm not sure what that is actually. Anyway, I was just looking at the tint on it. It's pretty dark. I don't want to go that dark. I don't think that's just gonna flag attention from cops, you know. Let's see what he got. So his back is completely pitch black. He couldn't even see anything in there. The thing I'm worried about the most is inspection. So I'm gonna have to pass inspection. 20% is gonna read, even though the legal limit in Texas is 20%, on the tint meter is gonna read less than 20%. Probably gonna read like 13 to 15, because these 35s, they actually read like 27%, which is crazy. So if you know somebody doing inspection time, man, I got to amaze. So if you know somebody, hey, go ahead, drop me a DM in Dallas-Fort Worth area. Just drop me a DM if you know somebody with the inspections. But I'm not worried about cops too much if I go 20%, because the front windshield on the Ford is huge, man, like super big. So it does provide like a lot of light in the truck. So hopefully it won't darken it out too much. All right, guys, so he's about to go ahead and take my truck. We're gonna do 20 all the way around. We get a nice blend. Like I said, the back is already pretty dark, so he told me 20 is gonna look about like this, as you can see here. That's pretty dark if you ask me. From an angle, so from this angle right here, you can see in there fine. I can see everything, but you know, from this angle, it's a little darker than you can't really see. But anyway, this is a single cab, so it might be, mine might be a little lighter due to mine being a crew cab, but we'll see. But this is my first time going inside the store and being here. I've never been to the store before. DFW Camper Corral, the truck accessory store. They go red, pulling off. And my man is Justin, who's gonna take care of me. So if you need some tint, something like that, man, hit up Justin at DFW Corral here in Mesquite, Texas, actually. But I'm gonna show y'all around the store on the inside. Never been in here. Man, everything you need. They got tonneau covers, bumpers. I mean, this store is cool. We got wheels. I like these. These are nice. These are fuel, of course. I always love fuel wheels. I don't know why. I really love these. These are beautiful with that nice bronze penny color. Beautiful. I like those a lot. They got some Rhino wheels. Let's see. We got a few set of Rhino wheels. I seen somebody put these on there. I can't remember who. But these aren't. They're different. No, it was Street Speed. Street Speed put those on his. I like these. Nice concavity look. Goes back. But I don't want to get copyright by country music, so we'll cut this off.
If you ever have any issues, I'll pull the screen.
All right.
Fix it up. But yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, it does. I'm recording. That's cool. See? Oh yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, that looks dark. It's pretty dark, man, but it looks good. I like it.
Nice about it is it's almost exactly the same.
Yeah, it is. It's on the front to back. Yeah.
That's what a lot of people are good for. They're like, oh, I don't want it to be so different, you know?
Right. So that's 20%?
Yep.
I didn't think 20 would make that much of a difference, man, but it does. Holy shit. It makes a huge difference. Yeah. But like you said, from this angle, it doesn't look bad.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
And plus, it's kind of in the shade too, so.
Right.
When you're in the sunlight, it's going to be, you know,
yeah.
a little bit lighter.
I like how it kind of, even though the front's not tinted, it kind of gave some,
it looks
darkened the whole cabin. Yeah, it did. So, yeah. Cool, man. I mean, at nighttime anyway, with my lights and shit, you can't see. It's bright.
Oh, yeah.
You can barely see inside my truck anyway. Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm about to go.
I get flashed all the time, man, driving my truck.
Oh, do you? Yeah, dude, I get flashed every day when I drive my truck. Like, I'm sorry. Yeah, I can't do nothing about it. You know, it's right in your eye. I get it, but
yeah.
Okay, cool, man. I appreciate it. It looks good. It looks good.
They're not 1250s, they're 1450s. So they actually,
okay.
It's not gonna be stretched like a lot of them are.
Yeah. Okay.
But
oh,
yeah.
dude. So I see. What is this right here?
So that's
a light,
rigid 20-inch right there.
Light bar.
Red cover.
So it'd be red. It's gonna be red.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. And the reason for that is for like hunting hogs.
You don't mind being on camera, do you?
No.
Okay. All right.
You're good, brother.
Oh, you said hunting hogs. So you hunt hogs.
Yeah.
So what does the red do for hunting hogs?
They don't see the light as much. When they see a white light, it startles them.
Really?
But the red, they're kind of colorblind. So
no shit.
Yeah.
I did not know that. That's cool, man.
Red and green is like that. And I've got these floodlights right here.
Yeah, I see those. Man, okay. How'd you wire? You wired this yourself in there?
Yeah, I put all this shit in.
Holy shit. Okay. You had to take the grill all the way off?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much whole front end. You got to pop this piece off.
Oh man. Okay.
Yeah, that's a project, man.
Yeah, I'm about to say it is. Dude, I love the front end on the 18s. I see you got the ridge lights up here.
Yeah, the hinge mounts. Those are awesome.
Yeah.
I like those because you can twist them out.
Yeah.
The suspension I'm running is just a spindle. Everything is stock except for the spindle. It's
okay.
4.5-inch max track.
Okay.
And
I see. Did you do the emblems? They call it this factory.
I did the emblems.
You did the emblems? They plastic dip or they painted or?
No, they're just. I got them on eBay. Like
got them on eBay?
Yeah,
okay. Yeah.
eBay
Oh shit. Dark ass tint. Dude. So what tint you got on here?
Honestly, it's pretty much the same as you. It's
is it?
Yeah. It had 10 on it from the factory.
Okay.
And then I just did 20 on top of that.
Shit, it looks dark as hell.
Pretty dark.
Cops. You get worried cops at all?
Nah.
Nah.
I live around here though. So
oh, okay.
I live in Rockwall like I used to.
Okay, got you.
And I got 10% on the back.
Okay. And then you got the cab on the back. Cover.
This is actually my lift kit off my old truck I got in here.
Okay.
It's funny because you got the same lift kit on your truck.
Rough Country?
Yeah, Rough Country.
Yeah, Rough Country, man.
I'm having a guy pick it up today.
Oh, are you? Oh, how was your lift?
6-inch.
6-inch?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Are you going back lifted at all, you think, or?
I'm gonna actually, when I do the 22x14,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do, with the spindle, it keeps everything stock. So
Okay.
you can do a level kit on top.
Okay.
Get up to about 7 inches.
Okay, shit. Okay, it's about 7 inches.
4.5 plus 2.5.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
awesome thing about it is it keeps the factory ride because you're not adding all the cross members and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So you actually use your truck for a purpose, off-road and
Exactly. I do camping and stuff like that.
yeah. I see. Mine's a pavement princess. I just ride around the city.
Mine doesn't do much off-roading, but
okay, got
it's
you.
2-wheel drive. I mean, nothing extreme, but it takes me where I need to go, like fishing and stuff.
Yeah. And I see you said this is on eBay as well.
Yeah, eBay.
I like that, man.
It was like $160 for the pair, a little pricey, but I mean, it's worth it, honestly.
That looks good. I like that. I like that a lot because mine with the sticker still has that chrome on the back, but I like that a lot. That looks really good, man. And then you got a roof rack, or that's more. Okay. Oh, you go kayaking too?
Yeah.
Oh man, you all over the place.
Have fun.
All right, cool, man.
You're probably looking ugly on stocks.
All right, when you get it on wheels and all that, man, come back. I'll put you on the video, man. So it'd be cool. You got an Eco Boost or a V8?
Eco Boost.
Eco Boost. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm sure they can see that. There it is.
On the Raptor tire.
Yeah. I like that. That looks good. It looks good. I got you.
I'll tell you what, the nice thing about having that big of a tire, you can hit a speed bump.
Dude, don't feel nothing. Yeah, just right over it. So you say you had an Eco Boost?
Yeah, Eco Boost.
Okay.
What you got in yours?
Eco Boost.
You got the 3.5 or the 2.7?
3.5.
Lucky.
Yeah. And so
the 2.7.
you got 2.7.
Mine looks stock, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Check this out.
What's that? What you got going to it?
So it's a electronic cutout. So it's not even coming out right here.
It sounds like coming up here.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Check this out.
Yeah. Whoa, wait, what was that? What was that? Yeah, what was that?
It's the cutout closure.
Oh, so I'm like, wait, what?
So it's now it's basically stock.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Now I had to take the resonator out to fit the cutout where I needed to. So you still hear a little bit of rumble when it's closed, but like on the highway, it's almost stock. Like all you hear is the turbo whistle.
And what is that again you got on here?
Electronic cutout.
Electronic cutout.
Yeah, it's got a valve. I got a switch I flip and it opens up or closes.
Where you got it wired? You
into the truck, yeah.
Where is it? Oh, right here?
That doopy looking chrome.
Yeah. Dude, that is crazy, man.
The, tuner as well.
Oh, yeah. Oh, who you tuned by?
SCT.
SCT tune? Okay, got you. Okay,
I'm actually sponsored by them.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, man. Well, shout out to SCT, man. Sponsor my man. You got IG anything?
Yeah.
Go ahead, shout out, and I'll put it down there. Just spell out for me.
It's a guy from Rockwall, all one word, lowercase.
A guy from Rock. So A-G-U-I from?
Yep, from Rockwall.
Oh, okay. I'll put that down there, man. Y'all go give him a follow.
Appreciate it.
See, dude, this dude's like you, man. Like, I'm getting new to trucks, new to all this, man. And then you got just like, it's crazy.
This is my 5th one.
Is it? It's like my 2nd. So, my first Ford, 2nd truck. I only had my first truck for like a year. It's a Ram 1500.
Picked a good one.
Yeah.
Good trucks.
Yeah,
You ever thought about tuning it?
Yeah, it's tuned. So
Oh, it's tuned?
I got a MPT tune.
Oh, nice. That's a good shit right there. They run super good at tuning.
Yeah, oh my God, dude, truck is so fast,
Even
man.
with the 35s on, I bet it
It still moves. It moves out pretty good.
That's awesome, man.
All right, man, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem, brother.
All right, man. I'll be
Need
seeing you
anything
around.
else?
Hey guys, so that's it. Just started red up. Y'all can see 20% tint all the way around on the back. It looks pretty freaking good, man. It looks dark as shit, I'm not gonna lie. Let me go ahead and hop inside really quick. Oh, they even put like a strip of tape there. Look at that. Do not roll down. So we go lock the windows. Let me start the truck first. Let's go ahead and lock that so nobody roll down the window. Oh, I don't have that. I see what people say, that fishbowl look. From the interior, it doesn't look bad. Like, it doesn't look dark. You can see out pretty good. From the outside though, it's pretty dark, man. I'm not gonna lie. New 20% tint, and should have done it a long time ago. Also, shout out to my man John and my man Justin. John was the guy who put me in contact, and Justin was the individual I just saw his F150. So appreciate you both, man. Make sure y'all go give them both a follow. And again, Justin, shout out to you, man. I appreciate it. Everything looks perfect, came out good. And guys, I feel like I got so much more privacy now, man. Like, on all my vehicles, guys, I have always had dark tinted windows. Like, I just had to. It was a must. It's something I had to do. And Oh, they got stop sign right here. Gee, I'm about to run into the back of this guy. But it just gives you a sense of security, man. It just looks better, feels better. So anyway, I gotta have it. I'm happy I got it back on my truck now. And hopefully we don't run into any law enforcement issues.